Hey, what's up guys? Alex with HVAC Tips here on a new construction I was telling you about yesterday. We made a little bit of progress. Let's check it out. So we got some trunk lines and we got some boxes installed going into the attic space. It's all been decked out. You don't have to worry about where to step and all that. It's a Ream 14 seer. It's the new style. Man, everything's coming out real clean so far. We got the fab shop building our plenums for us. Right off of that plenum, we're going to have a T with turning vanes with square to rounds going into 12-inch duct pipe. It's going to be real nice, super clean, man. Stay tuned. I promise you, you'll love this work. Like and follow.